Greetings everyone. I'm Vanisha Ghodawat, a student of ULPT Edu Services. Today I'm going to share an application of design thinking in solving the problems of flash flood in Assam. This project is a collaborative effort with my teammate Namebed, guided by our teacher Richa Parashar, director and co-founder ULPT. Assam is the only large flat area in the northeast. It is surrounded by hills and mountains on all sides. The neighboring states like Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya, and Bhutan are higher up. So when it rains heavily in those places, these water flows down into Assam as it is lower in its height. Inspiration and empathizing. The recent heavy rainfall in Assam led to severe flooding across the state, transforming streets into rivers and disrupting the daily life. The floodwaters caused significant traffic congestion, making it challenging for the people to commute or even reach their homes. Students who typically returned home around 2 to 3 p.m. faced substantial delays, with their buses arriving at doorsteps as late as 5 to 6 p.m. This not only affected their schedules but also their overall well being. The flooding highlighted the need for improved drainage systems and emergency preparedness measures to mitigate the impact of such natural disaster. The situation was further exacerbated by the fact that many areas were inaccessible due to waterlogging, making it difficult for the people to go out or access essential services.
Assam faces quite a lot problem during floods, which is highlighted by the following video, which is taken from a region of Guwahati. Here it is shown that flood causes quite a huge problem in Assam. There are four SDGs in our problem. SDG 13, it has been taken as an urgent action to combat climate change and its impact on the environment. SDG 6, it ensures availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. SDG 11, it helps in making cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. SDG 12, it helps in reducing waste generation and ensures sustainable consumption and production patterns. Problem statement. How might we design and implement an efficient drainage system in Assam to prevent flooding and reduce waterlogging during the monsoon season? Innovative solutions. Self-cleaning drainage grate systems. These are smart grates with built-in sensors and mechanisms that remove trash and silt automatically, preventing blockage and reducing manual cleaning efforts. Public awareness. Campaigns, workshops, and signage to educate citizens about the importance of keeping drains clean and not dumping waste irresponsibly. Smart bins near drains. Drain sensor enabled bin placed near drainage points that alert when full, encouraging proper disposal and preventing trash overflow into storm water systems. Community power and cleanup drives. Mobilizing citizens, NGOs, schools, and RWAs for regular cleanup events, fostering local ownership of urban cleanliness. Drain monitoring and app-based reporting. Mobile apps and IoT devices to monitor waste flow and waste levels in drains, allowing citizens to report quickly and authorities to act quickly. Fines for littering garbages. Strict penalties for individuals or businesses caught littering near drains, acting as a deterrent to keep surroundings clean. Prototype. Smart self-cleaning drainage grate systems has four components. Number one, smart drain grates with debris. Step two, hydraulic or mechanical self-cleaning mechanism. Three, silt catcher or sediment trap chamber. Four, IoT sensor and monitoring system. When water flows through debris trap, it holds the garbage and prevents water logging. Hydraulic cleaning mechanism has self-cleaning brush which works with the pressure of water, helping in the flushing of waste. Silt catches the chamber which collects the rock and other solid particles. IoT sensors access eyes and ears of the system, providing valuable insights into various aspects of operations.
Let's see, how does this system work? Smart drain grate with debris trap. These are the top grades placed over the roadside drains. It is designed with angled anti-clock slits or dome-like shapes to guide water in while deflecting large trash. Underneath the grate is a basket-style debris trap that collects solid. Hydraulic or mechanical self-cleaning mechanism. A simple flap rotating brush or vibrating mechanism is present just below the grate. It is triggered by water pressure, timer, or float sensor, which pushes the solid from the top grate into the debris trap or side catch. Silt catcher or sediment trap catcher chamber. A small underground chamber directly below the grate. It separates heavier materials like sand, mud, and gravel from the water. It is designed with a sediment bowl or pit that can be emptied periodically. IoT sensors and monitoring system, low cost water level, and clog detection sensors mounted inside the grate. It can also monitor the flow rate, solid waste volume, or overflow risk. Feedback. This project tackles a pressing and often overlooked urban challenge: drain blockages and waterlogging caused by unmanaged waste. Its relevance to everyday city life makes it both timely and impactful. The idea of separating solid waste from drainage water is not only inventive but also forward thinking. This is what my parents think. And beyond the technical solution, embedding community engagement and education campaigns could transform this project from a functional fix into a movement for cleaner and smarter cities. Empowering citizens to be a part of the solution ensures both longevity and collective ownership of urban sustainability. Thank you.